Today we're checking out these catalytic converters for the driver and passenger side of the 2011 to 14 5.0 F-150s. If your factory converters are failing, throwing codes, or just worn out, this set is designed to get your truck running clean and legal without going to a universal cut and weld option, so it's definitely worth looking into. These are direct replacement cats for both the driver and passenger sides, built to restore proper emissions control and help keep fuel efficiency where it should be. They're application specific, so the inlets, the outlets, and the hangers are laid out to follow the factory routing, and they're designed to bolt on as units with no cutting or welding required. That means your truck's O2 sensors and the exhaust connections go right back where they belong, helping keep the check engine light off and the truck inspection ready. Now, when it comes to the construction, you're going to be getting converters made from premium grade steel with a structure that's been professionally inspected and tested for fitment. The housings and the tubings are built to stand up to high temperatures, road salt, and rough weather, and the internals of the catalytic converters are designed to handle long-term use without breaking down prematurely. The welds and the flangers are set up to match the factory layout, so everything bolts together tight and stays leak-free over time. Now, as far as the pricing goes, it's going to come in the mid $600 price range for the full set. For two direct fit catalytic converters built from quality steel and designed to meet or exceed industry emission standards, this is a fair number in my opinion. You're getting a matched set that saves you from piecing together universal parts, and it's still typically less than many dealerships will charge you for factory replacements. Now, when it comes to this install process, it's going to get rated to 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. And you can have this job done in just 3 hours of your time, since it's all a bolt-on system. If you work on your own truck, this is something you can get done yourself, as long as you're careful with the process and you make sure everything is lined up right so that you can get a leak-free fit over time. But if you aren't 100% confident in your abilities, then just go ahead and hire a professional and get this job done right. All right, that wraps up my review of the catalytic converters for the driver and passenger side of the 2011 to 14 5.0 F-150s. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at American Trucks.